Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Wi-Fi keep disconnecting on Windows 11. You are connected one moment, then suddenly the internet drops. Here are three fixes that solve this problem for most users. Our first fix is disable power saving for Wi-Fi. Press Windows plus X and then open Device Manager. Into the Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, and then from here you have to select the Wi-Fi driver. And here is Realtek Wi-Fi adapter. Just click on your right mouse button, then click on Properties, and then here just simply click on Power Management. Click on Power Management, and from here, then simply uncheck this setting and click OK. Our fix 2 is forget and reconnect Wi-Fi. Just simply open your settings, then simply click on network and internet option, and from here you're going to find out Wi-Fi. I am rightly connected with Ethernet. Just simply find out your Wi-Fi, forget that connection and simply log in again. Your problem will be fixed. After that, simply go for our fix number 3 is update Wi-Fi driver. Just simply open device manager. Into the device manager, just simply open the network adapters, and from here just simply select any of your Wi-Fi adapter, click on the right mouse button and simply update the driver, search automatically, and that's it. In these three fixes, we're going to solve your problem automatically in your computer. If